How to download stickers from Bitmoji application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download any your custom stickers from the Bitmoji application. So if you haven't already downloaded Bitmoji application, you can just download it for free from the Play Store. As you can see, it's free in the Play Store. So just click on install and hit the open button and you'll be redirected to this page. So to search for your particular stickers, just click on the search icon. So let's say I want stickers of sleeping. So just click on sleep and just search for sleep. So you'll see a lot of stickers customized only for you. So you can just select any one photo just like this and click on the photo that you want to save or send it to your profile using different social media, or you can just simply click on the save button by scrolling all the way to right and it will be saved directly to your gallery. So that is exactly how you can save or download custom stickers from the Bitmoji application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.